This session is for LKG class. Subject General Knowledge by Alisha Arora. Today we will revise following topics: flowers, pet animals, and wild animals. Yes, these are flowers. These are flowers. There are so many flowers. You can see in this page there are so many flowers. See, this is zinnia, jasmine, rose, tulip. This is morning glory. This is dahlia. This is marigold, daffodil, lily. All these flowers are having different shapes and different colors. See, daffodil is of yellow color, while lily is of white color. And also they are looking different, है ना? All these are having different shapes, different looks, and different colors. Yes. Similarly, marigold also. See, marigold is of yellow color, while rose flower is having red color. And also they are looking different. They are different in their shapes also, है ना? Some difference is there in their shapes and in their colors. Similarly, you can see here is our lotus, sunflower, and pansy. See, lotus is of pink color, while sunflower is of yellow color. They are having so many colors and so many shapes. And do you know that lotus is a flower which grows in water, है ना? They all are having different characteristics also. So lotus is a flower which grows in water, and sunflower, pansy. Sunflower is a flower which rises in the sun in the afternoon with the sun rays. So all these flowers are having different characteristics, different shapes, different colors. And do you know that flowers also need watering? See, girl is watering a plant so that the flowers grow easily and flowers will bloom. They need water also. Okay, so we have to water the plants daily. Okay, so there are so many flowers. Okay, now we will revise some questions regarding flowers. Question number 1. Name 5 flowers. Answer is rose, lotus, lily, sunflower, and marigold. Repeat after me. Rose, lotus, lily, sunflower, and marigold. Question number 2. Name the flower that grows in water. Answer is lotus. Yes. Repeat once again. Answer is lotus. Our next topic is pet animals. Animals which live in house are called pet animals. They are dependent on human beings for their livelihood, for their food, for their lives, and so many things. They are dependent on others, so they are called pet animals. The most common pet animal is yes, dog. The most common pet animal is dog. Most of us keep dogs in our houses. You have also seen that most of the people keep dogs in their houses, है ना. And next common is cat. Some also keep cat in their houses. Yes, and some other animals are like horse, donkey, camel, cow. Also, some of the people keep cow also in their house because they help them for their livelihood. They give milk. So cow and buffalo also. Cow and buffalo gives us milk. So some of the human beings keep cow and buffalo with them for their livelihood. And goat, rabbit, ox, cat, dog, and sheep. These are some of the pet animals which human beings can keep, or these animals can stay with them, with the human beings, are called pet animals. These are some of the pet animals. Now we will revise some questions of pet animals and we will know more about them. Question number 3. Name the animal which gives us milk. I repeat, name the animal which gives us milk. Answer is cow gives us milk. Yes, once again, cow gives us milk. Now, next question. Question number 4. Who looks after our house at night? Answer is dog looks after our house at night. Yes, repeat. Dog looks after our house at night. Our next topic is wild animals. Animals which live in forest are called wild animals. Some of the wild animals we can also see in zoo. Yes, we can also see some wild animals in zoo. They are not dependent on anyone. They are not dependent on human beings. So yes, we know some of the wild animals. We will see the picture. Yes, it's tiger, lion, rhinoceros, bear, or we can say bear, fox, monkey, kangaroo, deer, giraffe, hippopotamus, elephant, zebra, and gorilla. Yes, these are some of the wild animals. But most common wild animals are lion, monkey, and elephant. monkey तो you have already seen in near your houses also, है ना? And all other animals you can also see in the zoo. And lion is also known as the king of jungle. Yes, lion is called king of jungle. All these animals lives in jungle. All these animals lives in jungle. Now we will learn some questions regarding wild animals. Next question is, which animal is called the king of jungle? Do you know the answer? Okay, I will tell you the correct answer. Answer is lion. Yes, it's lion. Lion is called the king of jungle. Revise all questions very well and best of luck for your exams.